Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this French Caribbean curry powder known as Poudre de Colombo, which basically means in English Colombo powder. A simple curry powder recipe that I cannot wait to show you guys how to make. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. I'm first of all going to make this disclaimer and say that I am not from the French side of the Caribbean, and I'm also not a French speaking native, so I do apologize if I did not pronounce it the correct way. I've tried my best to pronounce it, so I will be referring to more or less as Colombo powder or curry Colombo powder to make it easier for myself and for my listeners. So I apologize to anybody who is from the French Caribbean that did not want to butcher the pronunciation. So anyway, without further ado, let's introduce the ingredients. You're going to need a combination of whole spices as well as ground spices. This is also the way that I make my Colombo powder. It might be different from you, so I'm just showing you the way that I make mine. The first ingredient you're going to need is some rice. I use brown rice for everything, so I'm using brown rice, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, black pepper, ginger, turmeric powder, cinnamon, just one clove, that's what I use, fenugreek seeds, and also cumin seeds. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to preheat your frying pan. So I preheated mine on medium heat, and then I'm going to add my brown rice to the pan. The pan is completely dry. You want your pan to be dry, or your skillet. And what we're going to do now is we're going to toast the brown rice. So you'll know when it's toasted because it will start to smell aromatic. So you want it to be, it'll have like a nutty, strong nutty smell to it. So that's pretty much the indication that it's been toasted. You don't want it to burn. It should only take about like a minute or so to toast. You just want to keep just stirring that to completely toast the rice. So now that we've toasted the rice, the next thing we need to do is to add the whole spices. So we're going to add the cloves, the mustard seed, the fenugreek seeds, the cumin seeds, and the coriander seeds. And once we add all of those, we're going to temper those whole spices as well. The reason why we do that is the reason we toast them is so they can release their natural oils, and also the depth of flavor is a lot more when you actually toast them before you prepare them. You see this a lot in South Asian dishes, and this is also a method that I like to follow because I feel as if when you're making curry powder that you get the best depth, or if you're even just making a type of recipe, you get the best depth when you temper the spices until they're completely aromatic. But be careful not to burn them, so you want to have it on sort of medium, low medium when you're doing this step. So now that I've tempered the whole ingredients, I've added those to my spice grinder, and the next thing I need to do now is to add my dry ingredients. So I'm adding my black pepper, the ginger, the cinnamon, and the turmeric. And once I add those ingredients, I'm just going to pulverize it into a very fine powdery consistency. So I'm going to remove the lid and show you guys what the Colombo powder looks like. It's nice and yellow, and it has a very smooth consistency, and this is perfect to use in any of your stew, soups, or Colombo chicken recipe. So guys, that is how you make Colombo powder, also known as Poudre de Colombo. With my bad pronunciation, I'm very sorry. I apologize. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and support the channel, and I will catch you guys on the other side.